Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some interesting things for Bitcoin. The first thing that we're going to look at is the bearish divergence that's forming on the Bitcoin chart. And secondly, we're also going to look at the all-time low volatility graph that Bitcoin is having right now, meaning that Bitcoin is actually super boring. But we're also going to look at the potential cup and handle pattern that's forming on Bitcoin as well. But as always, guys, this is a video just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before trading or investing, and don't listen to anyone else. This is just my own views. But guys, I'm CryptoKid. Welcome back to another video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already to catch up on daily uploads. But let's jump into the chart. So first of all, this is the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you guys what the divergence is. So I have my RSI here. You can use divergences on basically a lot of different oscillators, but I think the RSI one is the best personally. So this is the divergence. So I'm going to show you right now, like so. So this is the divergence, and it basically happens when you have, I think the easiest way to explain it is when you have the opposite trend on two highs or two lows, or it can be multiple as well, and that indicates a reversal in the price. So here we have a bearish one, because if price is heading up and it's lower on the RSI, that means the opposite will happen. That means the price could potentially come to the downside. So this is the first thing that I want to look at, and if this happens, then we could potentially head to this next price level target, and then we would also be forming a head and shoulders pattern. So this is a pretty important resistance for Bitcoin. So this would form boom, the left shoulder, the head, I drew it very wrongly, and then boom, the right shoulder as well. And it could cause the price to come down all the way back to this low, which is not super far off. Again, the volatility is super low. I'm going to have a look at that right now, but this is what we could see for Bitcoin in terms of the divergence. Now, the second thing that I'm going to look at for Bitcoin is not this right now. I'm going to look at the volatility graph. So this is the Bitcoin volatility graph, and I'm going to look at the weekly. So we can see that this should be the all-time low for volatility on Bitcoin. And excuse my internet connection, it is super slow, but basically this chart shows that Bitcoin is at a all-time low for volatility, meaning the price, we haven't seen crazy price swings to the up or downside like since forever apparently. So this is the lowest rate that we saw significant price movements to the up and downside. Also in the comment section below, do you think we will see another bigger bear market this year alongside with the recession? Leave your comments down below. So this isn't loading for some reason, so I'm going to switch to the next one, the cup and handle pattern for Bitcoin. So this is the daily chart for Bitcoin, and over here we can see a cup and a handle forming for Bitcoin. So this cup and handle pattern is actually pretty bullish. As you can see over here, cup and handle patterns tend to break to the upside. However, because of this bearish divergence, it could be that we don't break to the upside. So we just got to look at the targets and see if we break up or below the resistances. So I'm going to draw this a bit more specifically so you guys can see. So voila, and I can get rid of this as well. So here you go. That is the two resistance signs that we should be looking at, which could tell us potentially where price could head to. Again, if we break to the downside, we could come down to $16,732. However, if we break to the upside, the cup and handle target for Bitcoin will be the following. So we have to pull it to here, and then we put this target above the breakout zone. So if we just do this, and then voila, our target for Bitcoin will be around $17,400. Now, I remember in the last video yesterday, we had a similar target as well. And this is a very nice target because you see some previous retest to this potential support as well. So I think it's a nice price target to have for Bitcoin. So you could set a target for both ways. If we break to the downside, you could set the take profit here. If we tend to break break to the upside, then you could put the take profit here and keep your risk management, your stop loss pretty low. So that could work. But that is it for today's video. Again, if you want to join my crypto Telegram group, it's a very nice community that I'm trying to build. I'm adding value, I'm sharing charts. It's completely for free. So if you want to join, please do make sure to join. Also, if you want to sign up to TradingView, you can use this link and get up to $30 put towards your plan. And finally, you can use my Bybit link in the description below and get up to a $30,000 deposit bonus if you're depositing in your cash. Again, it's a nice thing to have. Why not? But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Crypto Kid. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. And I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully next week. So take care, guys. See you. Take care and bye-bye.